Hi guys, I wanted to show you my bird collection. It's really fun and colorful. This is my mantelpiece. And let's get a little bit closer to the birds. As you can hear my birds from the background. I have a two pair of cockatiels. Okay, here we go. Let's see. I have some owls back there, a flamingo, some parrots, some parakeets, and my big one that's up there in the mirror. I love that. Love. I have a whole bunch of different kinds of birds on here. There's a little robin, I think, back there. And my little cute little parakeets. Aren't the colors so pretty? I love the pinks and the yellows and the blues. Let's see if I can get this little one hiding in the back there. It's so cute. This little planter. Let's get that one in the back. There he is. So there you have it. That is most of my bird collection. I do have more, but maybe I'll show you at another time. Have a good day, guys. See you later. Bye.